Welcome back, Rishi Narana here, Kin 174, the white overtone wizard, the white wizard, the power of magic, timeline jumping, the power of going within and finding the solutions within, find the magic of your own heart, the magic of the love that you are. It's the priest, the shaman, it's the jaguar. And the jaguar called me to the Lyran oracle, as it's a feline. I love these cards. They are pretty new to me. I'm gonna post the text I'm gonna create a post with the cards and the text. Third eye, 333. Your pineal gland is where you can connect to the field of potentiality. Next card. The field of potentiality. Ask and it is given. The quote of Jesus, Yeshua, I don't know the English version, but something like, knock on the door and it will be opened. This is about manifestation. Yes, the pineal gland. You activating your pineal gland through your intention and through meditations, and through this portal getting in contact with spirit beings, with galactics, with whoever you want to get in contact with. This is your access to spirit, this and your heart. And the third card, gateway of sound. Manifestation, sound healing, alchemy. All of these cards have to do with magic, with manifestation, with magical creation. This card invites you to play around with your own sound frequencies. Find a quiet place and just experiment with your voice. Manifest with your voice. I wish you a wonderful day. Thank you. Namaste.